What's good, y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, y'all? So I'm back with another video. Okay. Whew. Okay. So I know half of y'all are very new to my channel, and half of y'all don't know what's going on. Okay. So, whew. So 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 I did one. So I did a whatchamacallit. It's like this. Whew, y'all, I'm trying not to cry, but like I have to get it out so people will understand. Like I just have to. Like I just watched this girl's YouTube channel, and like she has an autistic son that cannot speak. So I'm here to to let a couple people know. I don't know. I don't know why. Every I don't know why. Every time. Okay. I don't know why every time I talk about this topic. I don't know why every time I talk about this topic, like I start. I start to get emotional, bad about this topic, but y'all, but y'all deserve to know what's going on. What's going on? Okay. So I don't know if this was. So I don't know if this was after I was born or what. But but I was diagnosed um with speech um dang I oh, it has to do with speech. Like, like, I have a stuttering problem. I was diagnosed with that, and then I was diagnosed with I was diagnosed with with y'all okay with mild cerebral palsy. So y'all, so I'ma actually I'ma actually hook this stuff up for y'all. So 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 y'all can know what the whole definition meaning on as soon as I talk about these topics, because a lot of people don't know. So a lot of people do not know. Okay. So yeah, so a lot of people do not know that I have a disability. So let me see. Let me go to it. Alright. So boom. So I'm going to let y'all know. So y'all. So I have this. I have I have and right there. This is what I have. And I don't know. Yes. I have all of this. I have all of this. This is exactly I have this. And then I'm gonna show you what else I have. Alright, y'all. I don't know. But yeah, y'all. Hold on. And y'all, I also have this is what exactly I have is this. I have a speech problem. I have a speech problem where I stutter. I have it's two. Hold on. Let me see. Not that, but and I also have this as well. Y'all, this is what else I have. Y'all, so I do not want nobody to judge me. When I say nobody, I mean nobody judge me. Nobody judged me. Because I've been getting... Y'all, I'm trying not to cry because, like, it's like emotional for me to talk about. Hold on. Also, hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Alright. Alright, y'all. So, this is... So, I was born a premature. And this is all what it comes with being premature. See that? This is all what it comes with to being premature. All of this. Now, now, here's the pictures of other kids being a premature. I was born premature. I was told from all my family members that I can fit up in somebody's hand when I was a baby. And like y'all, Like, I'm just, blessed. Period. Because, like, I was told that I almost died from me being premature and me being so small or whatever. That's I'm saying this, y'all. I beat the odds. Yeah, I beat the odds. I beat all the odds that I went through from birth and second now. Yeah, I know a couple people that have kids with disabilities. My cousin have, y'all, she have a disability, but hers is not bad as mine is. We both have two separate disabilities. I forgot what hers is, but I just wanted to get this out there for anybody that has kids with a disability. You are not alone. You is not alone. You is not alone. Special needs kids, y'all is not alone, because I was diagnosed with being special ed. And all through high school, all through middle school, and all through elementary, I was put in special ed classes because of my disability. But y'all is not alone. If you are a parent, and you have a disability child, y'all is not alone. My mom went through it. Y'all is not alone. Y'all is not alone. Like, y'all is not alone. My mom went through it with me. With being disabled. All my life, I've been disabled. All my life. But guess what, y'all? Guess what? Y'all can do anything y'all can do anything that y'all put y'all mind to with being disabled. Being disabled don't mean nothing. Being disabled do not have nothing. Because me, I am blessed. I am blessed. I thank God every day that I'm blessed, because I could have died when I was a baby. Because I was born so early. So, I just wanted to share my experience with other people. I know that it's a bunch of moms who are YouTubers who have disability kids, but y'all is not alone. Y'all is not alone. Y'all is not alone. Y'all is not alone. But make sure y'all give this video a big fat thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe. I will be turning off the comments, because I don't want no bad negativity. Like, no. Like, I don't want no bad negativity. So, I will be turning off the comments for a reason. Because I don't want no bad negativity on this video I just did. I don't want no bad negativity. I want all positive vibes on this video of me being of me being disabled, me explaining everything at one time, me showing the pictures and everything. Like, but yeah, y'all, we on the road to 2K subscribers. Get me there. If y'all not subscribed, what y'all waiting for? Come subscribe. We on the road to 2K. Tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, tell another friend to come join KK Games. KK Games for KK. Why? Because it's the only. We only gonna be lit from here. Like, y'all. Like, but peace, we out.